Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to work with you guys my feather leather junk journal. And if you want to get caught up with us, I have a series that I did step by step on how I made this, and I will put the playlist at the end screen so you guys can come check it out. Okay, and today what I want to do is work on making journal cards out of like food boxes, you know, like a Ritz box or a graham cracker box, stuff like that that you have that you just get anyway at the grocery store. So instead of throwing your boxes away, you can incorporate them into your junk journals and make some fun cards with them. Okay, so let's get started today. So what I got is some black soot and my dauber here and my just feather stencil. I'm going to be playing around with that today. I got a Yoo-Hoo glue stick, and I'm going to be sewing, but like I always say, anything that I sew, you can just glue, so you don't have to sew. Sewing is optional. Okay, so last time you saw this, it was black, and it was a yellow little jewelry cord, and I dyed it black, well, brown with coffee, but you could start seeing it come through and it almost looked green, so I didn't like it. So I just went ahead and did blue, since I have touches of blue everywhere, and I thought that tied it together nicely. So I did that, and then I reinforced right here. You could see the spot right there. We took our circle punch and punched out some pockets in the journal, and I went ahead and I kept them. Just these little like half little circle, just little punches. So I glued it there and on the other side, because this paper right here was starting to rip because of the elastic was leaning on it. So this just reinforces it, and I think it looks nice. I think it looks fine. So I did that just to have it so it doesn't get ruined over time, you know, wear and tear of going like that. So I did the back here too. So I just glued those together. All right, so now what I have is just some fun journaling cards. And I'm using the Tim Holtz Ideology, just his scrapbook. I have some of that throughout. And what we're going to do today is just do some interest sewing and jazz it up. Like this one is just going to be just the card. And I thought that was awesome for this journal. Nest and eggs, because we got a feather. So it's our little feather leather journal here. Okay, and you could see, so we got eggs, and then this is just a Ritz box. So I just cut it to size, just like that. And I'm gonna go over to my sewing machine, and I'm just going to sew all the way around it, and then do a little stenciling on the back with the feather. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. But what I'm gonna do, I'll just go ahead and collect them all up, and I'll go and just sew them all together, and then we'll check them out. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just line this up. So what I did is I took like the Ritz face, the cover of the Ritz box, and put it against the back of this one, like that. And then we can use the cardboard in the back to use as a journaling spot. So I'm just gonna take it, line it up, and I'm just doing a zigzag stitch all the way around it. So there we go. And if you want, you can take your pins, or I mean your little clips, and just do some clipping around it, just so it doesn't move on you. Wouldn't be a bad idea. Okay. And And there we go. So I think that just looks really good, just sewn around like that, and on the back. So now I got them all sewn how I want them. And I think that one turned out really cool. So I just left this one just the Tim Holtz background. I just left it with the scrapbook. So you can still journal over the top of it. So some of them I did that. And this one I did like I think it was a Ritz box behind it. So let's go ahead. And isn't that cool with the eggs? I thought that went great with our feather theme here. Okay, so let's go ahead and go like this. We got our stencil. And it's black soot is what I'm using. And I just have a little water, so I'm just gonna do that because it just helps a lot get it into the cardboard. Just do a little spritz of water. And then I'm just gonna go like that. And there we go. I think that turned out really cool. So I just do like a silhouette on the back, and then it's great for journaling on. You can still journal over the top of it. And it gives it our nice little feather theme here. So there's that one. And I'll stick it in here. Okay. And let's see. I have another one. Okay, so we got this one. Like that. There we go. So isn't that fun? So you can just do whatever stencils and just spritz a little water because that kind of helps get it into the cardboard, I've noticed. Okay. So these are the circle punches I was talking about where I popped them out of these and then I just saved them because they're great for tabs and different things like that. So this is just a regular scrap paper, and then here's the last one. So I don't know if I said, but this will be in my Etsy, or it is in my Etsy shop as of now. So the link is down below if you guys want to come check it out. And even if you don't purchase or anything, just hit the heart button and it helps favor my shop, and I really, really appreciate it. And if you guys are enjoying this video, hit the like button. It gets my video out there further for other people to see how to make a little feather leather junk journal here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this and just lightly go across it. Let me line it up here. There we go. So you can just go for like a light silhouette too. Those are great. So it just gives it a little interest on the back of your journaling cards, and it goes with the theme that we got going here. So now what I wanted to do with you guys is a flip through. So this is all finished, and let's go ahead and flip through real quick. And I'll show you guys. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do a silent flip through. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this real quick. So I went ahead and put the beads at the end of this. And as this journal grows and you add more things to it, you can always just untie it and then just, you know, do the elastic. But I have it so there's tons of room. I mean, you can stretch it pretty far. So it goes through this little eyelet here. So this slides back and forth. The little beads can either go here, or you can move them all the way around over to the other side, or you can dangle them in the middle. So it just slides back and forth. So I just wanted to show you guys that. But there we go. We got our fun little wax seal that I used on a wine cork. So we got that in the front. And I added some beads, just some wooden beads. So blue is the pop of color throughout. So I did some blue feathers just here and there, you can see. So that's kind of fun. And okay, and I did some pins here and here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a flip through with you guys. And there we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.